Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
I'm going that way. Come on. Come on. What's up? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Come on, right here. I'm right here. Come on. What's wrong? Give a shit. What's wrong? Where are you going? What's wrong? I'm coming right. I'm not going anywhere.
Come on over here.
No.
Come on over here.
You come over here.
Well, that's what I thought.
What's wrong?
You a ass. You want the police to come?
You come over here.
Dude! Are you kidding me? Jesus Christ.
Of picnic and summer foods that are growing in popularity and the ones that are starting to fall off the list. So some of the new foods that are becoming new favorites for summer include red.
What? No? 541-5056. Walk back footage. 541-5056.
Poor child. Everybody alright?
Greta Gerwig of Barbie fame, she said she'd do Chronicles of Narnia for Netflix, but only if Netflix agreed to put it in theaters. And they caved because they want the director to be happy. And finally, Universal Studios, they give Christopher Nolan near total autonomy.
Never going back, still having the shit that you niggas never had. You the type of nigga who be tapping If he tapping in my hand, you juice on my ass and trying to take a nigga down. But features ain't fuck you better pop. This business so rolling, not a watch shit don't know.
What? Exactly. Hand up.
I'm sick of days smoking
Full pass.
nice.
What the rayo, espérate.
Better chance at the lottery. Color everywhere when I chop sweet. Make the crowd dance choreography. Plus I got a plan and no stopping me. $3,000 crib with a
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.